Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about how we can create a project planner using Excel. So Excel is a versatile tool and every computer has Office tools and Excel is part of it. So it's easy to use Excel. Now every project has a task and each task has a start date, end date and a progress. So we are going to visualize this in a Gantt chart and we are going to create this project planner. So let's get started. But before that, if you are first time here on my channel and you didn't subscribe my channel yet, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I upload Excel and Power BI videos regularly on this channel. So let's get started. I am here in an Excel spreadsheet and I have my project details here. So the first column shows just a numbering of the task. I have 12 tasks and task name is in column B. Each task has a start date and end date. And then duration I calculated by just subtracting my start date from the end date. And then completion column, actually you need to fill out that manually. I just filled out these three values just to use as a reference. Then I calculated a days completed and my days completed formula is just multiplication of total days of that task and then completion of percentage. So we can have that visibility of how many days we already use for this task. So let's insert a chart here. For that, I'm just going to select this start date and from the insert tab, I'm going to use this stacked bar chart. So that, and now we have our chart. I am going to just resize it and we don't need title for now. So I'm just going to delete it. And by selecting a series, I'm just going to right click and select the data. Here we are going to add a duration series. My title is duration and my data is duration column up to 13th row. And I'm going to edit this horizontal category axis label as well with my task name and click OK. So now we have these two stacked bar and we actually do not need this bar. So I'm just going to click that. I'm just going to select a no fill so we cannot see it. So now we have our duration bars only. I don't need this grid line, so I'm going to delete that by using delete key on the keyboard. Also, we wanted to see our task from top to bottom like this list. So for that, when I selected that, I have this format pane and I'm going to change it from this axis option. And here I have these categories in reverse order. So I'm just going to check that. And now we have the right order. Now we wanted to change this axis minimum and maximum value as well. For that, when I select it, I can see the maximum and minimum values in numbers. That's because Excel saves the date as number. So I'm just going to click on the start date and I'm just going to put it that general for now. And the number I have is 45315. So again, I'm going to select this and 45315. I'm going to use that. And the last number, we can visibly see this number here 45415. So I'm going to use that 415 and enter. Now it looks better. Now let's put this back on the date. Okay. Now I'm going to use that start date series and I'm going to add a error bar here. That error bar we are going to use to see as a progress bar. So let's select that again and I'm going to let's close out this window. I'm going to use this plus sign, and when you click on that, you have an option, this error bar. So use that, and for more options, you can use this arrow and click on more options. Now you can see that this horizontal error bar, it's in both direction. We wanted to put it only on plus side because we wanted to see progress. So this is our total bar, and in that we wanted to see the progress. So we are using only plus, and then I don't want cap, so no cap. And the last option, this error amount, I'm going to click on custom, and I'm going to specify my progress value here. So the positive error value is my days completed, so that is my progress, and up to 13th row, yes, and I'm going to click enter and click OK. So now you can see the little bars here because we have only 3 tasks partially completed. We can see those bars here. Now let's format this bar. So for that, I'm just going to use it a solid line, and my color, let's put it this green color, and I'm going to use higher width to match it with the underneath bar. Okay, so that looks good, and let's add a title now again. So I'm going to click that and add axis or the chart title, and we can put it our title here, project planner. So that is all about how you can create this project planner, and you and your team can visually see each task and the completion bar there. Let's actually test the completion bar. So let's say if I put it my first task, let's say 90% completed, then we should see the progress here. So enter, and you can see that it shows the progress. So it's working fine. So this is all about how you can create a project planner in Excel, guys. If you like the content of the video, then please comment, like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.